National Electrical Code Section 250.523 addresses concrete encased electrodes. Where concrete encased electrodes or ground rods are used, a minimum of 2 shall be installed. Additional electrodes shall not be less than 6 feet (1.83 meters) apart. Therefore, if a residential service has two 20-foot number 4 rebar electrodes installed as concrete encased electrodes according to Section 250.523, no additional ground rods are required. The key here is that 2 concrete encased electrodes are present and meet the code requirements. The code stipulates that where these electrodes are utilized, a minimum of 2 must be installed, and when additional electrodes are present, they must be spaced at least 6 feet apart. This spacing requirement prevents the electrodes from effectively negating each other's ability to dissipate fault current. The concrete encased electrode, often referred to as a UFA ground, is a highly effective grounding method due to the large surface area of the electrode in contact with the earth through the concrete. This results in a low impedance path for fault current to return to the source, aiding in the quick operation of overcurrent protective devices like circuit breakers or fuses. The 20-foot length requirement for the rebar ensures sufficient contact with the earth. The number 4 rebar specification refers to the size and gauge of the steel reinforcing bar used in the electrode. Using rebar of this size provides adequate mechanical strength and conductivity for the grounding system. When installing concrete encased electrodes, it's crucial to ensure they are fully encased in concrete. This concrete should be in direct contact with the earth. The purpose of the concrete is to provide a stable and conductive medium for the electrode, maximizing its effectiveness. Proper installation is critical for the electrode to function as intended. The National Electrical Code, or NEC, is a comprehensive set of standards and guidelines for electrical installations. It's important to consult the latest edition of the NEC for the most up-to-date requirements. Local codes and regulations may also apply. Adhering to these codes ensures the safety and reliability of electrical systems. Grounding is a crucial aspect of electrical safety. It provides a low impedance path for fault current, helping to prevent electrical shock hazards and equipment damage. A properly grounded system helps to stabilize voltage levels, reducing the risk of voltage surges and other electrical disturbances. Grounding also plays a vital role in electromagnetic compatibility, or EMC, by minimizing electromagnetic interference, or ME. This is especially important in sensitive electronic equipment. In summary, Section 250.523 of the National Electrical Code addresses concrete encased electrodes and ground rods. The code requires a minimum of 2 electrodes when these methods are used. If a residential service already has 2 concrete encased electrodes that meet the code requirements, no additional ground rods are typically necessary. Always consult the latest edition of the NEC and local codes for specific requirements in your area. Proper grounding is essential for electrical safety and the reliable operation of electrical systems.